Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This is the Chila. Customers call me. They repair it so many times, and now every week they refill gas, and every week finish. Then finally they have called me. Then I came here. Then I told they have to remove all the food from inside, and they have removed because it's leaking. This is the main problem. It's leak in somewhere. That's why every week they refill gas, and I told them it will take time to repair, but everything will be okay after we repair. You can use it as new. So this is the condenser, the compressor. If you check compressor, there is no gas. So there is no gas. So I told them there's will be somewhere will be leak, so you have to check everything properly. Then finally you have checked the condenser. There's condenser, there is no leak. Then we found the leak, this cooling coil in the evaporator. See, I show the see, it's leak. We have put pressure 350 pressure inside the cooling coil. So now see, this is the leak. So we'll change this cooling coil. We can welding it, but we don't want, because customer they repair so many times. This is the new cooling coil, so we'll change it new. So customer will be happy, because after we welding, if it's again happen, then will be not nice, then we decide to change new. This just we have removed it from here. So dear bear, finally you have fixed the cooling coil. And last time this fan was backside, then we have put it in front side. So if it's front side, it will work more better. Alhamdulillah, now temperature is 16.5. See, we have changed the fan, is everything working. We have changed the filter, rear and capillary also. We have changed capillary pipe also, because capillary pipe they welding inside also 2-3 joint. That's why we have changed the new one time, and we have fixed the drain pipe also. So alhamdulillah, now it's working, everything is fine. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.